Facebook, YouTube, all other wave pages, League Spins, ES, you feel me?
Only the bike's down.
Doing a quick video, man. Let y'all know touchdown from Just Waving and Elite and Natural Elite touchdown, man. I want to just tell you a brief video to open it up, show y'all what I got. This from a contest that I won, that they do, the giveaways. Y'all know how they do. And, you know, just letting y'all know, man, y'all need to get in on them giveaways. Oh, snap, you even threw in some extra stuff. You know, you threw in some extra stuff for me. Gotta appreciate the extra stuff. They threw in, no, I'm gonna copy it. The extra do-rag. I'm gonna copy what you wrote. The extra do-rag. Oh, dang, he threw in 2 extra do-rags. And the Club Torino Pro. Once again, shout out to the homie Just Waving and Poppy Blasted and everybody else in the Raw family, man. Salute to y'all. It's a real nice brush, real heavy. Put this to use. I'll do a review on it, let y'all know, man. Later season. Deuces.
Last Kings, everything.